Welcome to my channel. Have you ever loved someone so much that their happiness became your happiness? Today, we begin the beautiful and emotional story of a woman who could not live without loving someone. Her name was Olenka, and people called her the darling. But why did everyone call her that? Stay with me until the end to find out. Chapter 1. Introducing Olenka, the darling. In a small and peaceful town lived a young woman named Olenka. She was kind, gentle, and full of love. Everyone who knew her liked her because she always treated people with respect and kindness. People often called her the darling. Why? Because Olenka had a warm heart. She cared deeply about others and always wanted to make people happy. She was never selfish or rude. Instead, she listened carefully, helped when she could, and showed genuine concern for the people around her. Olenka lived with her father for many years. She loved him very much and always stayed close to him. After her father became old and weak, she spent much of her time caring for him. But there was something special about Olenka. She always felt happiest when she had someone to love. When she cared for another person, her life felt meaningful and complete. Being alone made her feel empty and sad. Remember this important insight. Some people find their purpose in helping and loving others. Olenka was one of those people. Her kind nature made her loved by everyone in the town, but deep inside, she longed for companionship and someone to share her life with. Little did she know that her life was about to change. Soon, she would meet a man who would capture her heart and take her on a journey filled with love, happiness, and unexpected challenges. Who was this man, and how would he change Olenka's life forever? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 2. Olenka meets Kukin. Not far from Olenka's house lived a man named Kukin. He was the manager of a small theater. Kukin worked very hard, but he was always worried about his business. Every day, he complained about something. Sometimes he complained about the weather. Sometimes he complained that people were not buying tickets. Other times he worried that the theater would not make enough money. Whenever it rained, Kukin became upset. He would say, "The rain ruins everything. No one will come to the theater now." At first, Olenka simply listened to him, but the more she listened, the more she felt sorry for him. She could see how stressed and unhappy he was. His problems began to touch her heart. Soon, she started thinking about Kukin even when he was not around. She wondered if he was doing well. She worried about his troubles. She hoped things would improve for him. Remember this powerful truth. Kind hearts often feel the pain of others deeply. That was exactly what was happening to Olenka. Day after day, she listened to Kukin's worries and supported him with kind words. Her sympathy slowly turned into affection, and something interesting began to happen. The theater, which had never been important to her before, suddenly became very important because it was important to Kukin. She cared about his success. She cared about his happiness. Without realizing it, Olenka was becoming emotionally attached to him. Their conversations became longer. Their friendship became stronger. And soon, both of them began to feel something more than friendship. A new chapter of Olenka's life was about to begin. But what happens when friendship turns into love? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 3. Love changes Olenka's life. As time passed, Olenka and Kukin grew closer and closer. They spent many hours talking together, and soon their friendship turned into love. Before long, they got married. For Olenka, this was one of the happiest moments of her life. She loved Kukin deeply and devoted herself completely to him. His happiness became her happiness, and his worries became her worries. Every day, she listened carefully to him talk about the theater. She learned about ticket sales, performances, actors, and the challenges of running a business. Something interesting began to happen. Olenka started sharing the same opinions as her husband. If Kukin complained about the weather, she complained about the weather too. If he talked about how difficult it was to manage the theater, she repeated the same ideas to others. People noticed that Olenka spoke exactly like Kukin, but she did not mind. She truly believed in everything he believed. Remember this powerful insight? Sometimes love becomes such a big part of life that it shapes our thoughts and identity. That was exactly what was happening to Olenka. She felt complete because she had someone to love and support. Every day seemed brighter because she was sharing her life with the person she cared about most. For a while, everything seemed perfect. The couple worked together, talked together, and faced life together. But life does not always stay the same. Sometimes, happiness can change in a single moment. And soon, an unexpected event would test Olenka in a way she had never imagined. What could possibly happen to disturb their happy life? That is exactly what we will discover in the next chapter. Chapter 4: An Unexpected Tragedy. Life seemed peaceful and happy for Olenka and Kukin. They worked together, spent time together, and shared their hopes for the future. But one day, Kukin had to leave town for business matters related to the theater. Before leaving, he promised to return soon. Olenka watched him leave and felt a deep sadness in her heart. She missed him terribly. Every day, she waited for news from him and hoped for his safe return. The days felt longer than usual. She thought about him constantly and prayed that everything would go well. Then, one morning, something unexpected happened. A message arrived. Olenka opened it, expecting good news from her husband. Instead, she received heartbreaking news. Kukin had suddenly died while he was away. For a moment, she could not believe what she was reading. The man she loved so deeply was gone. Her world seemed to stop. Olenka cried day and night. She felt lost, lonely, and heartbroken. The happiness that had filled her life disappeared in an instant. Remember this powerful truth: life can change when we least expect it. One day, everything may seem perfect, and the next day, everything can be different. For Olenka, this was one of the most painful moments of her life. She had devoted her heart to Kukin, and now she had to face life without him. But this was not the end of her story. A new chapter of her life was about to begin, and it would bring new people, new challenges, and new emotions. Would Olenka ever find happiness again? And what would happen to the woman everyone called the Darling? We will discover that in part 2. If you enjoyed part 1 of the Darling story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below: what do you think will happen to Olenka next? I read every comment and would love to hear your thoughts. Stay tuned for part 2, and I will see you in the next video.